Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the class. I know you all are so excited today because it is the last lecture, and after that, you are going to have your Christmas vacation, no? Yes. So, you all are so excited to end up the classes very fast. Okay, I will not break your excitement, and I will be having a good thing for you. As you know that we were going on with chapter number 14. So today we are going to see the last topic of the chapter. It means very soon the chapter will also finish and your syllabus will also over. But as the syllabus over, you have the vacation of around 10 days. So it doesn't mean that you people will not involve yourself for the revision. Children, you know, just after the vacation, you will be having your remaining concept test and the other skill test. So don't waste lots of time of your vacation, but at least 1 hour a day for just reading of the chapters or whatever the taught parts you have. Okay. So, when the earth shook, in this chapter we have gone through so many experiences. The experience of Kutch, Gujarat and Bhuj in Ahmedabad, where people were facing difficulties. Here, the Chasma were telling her story, how they built up their home again, and we have also seen how the help arise. They were having different foods, medicines, clothes. They gave them different ideas for constructing house, but as they wanted the old feelings of their houses, so they built the house by their own. Other than that, we have also seen to compare the different houses, and we have seen how can we take precautions when there is an earthquake. In the last part of the chapter, children, we wanted to discuss these questions of the topic of the news report of your own about the draft and all. So, this is what all about we have learnt in this chapter. Now the last part which was left, it is a report writing. Means you will have to write a report with the help of the following words. About the flood, river water, then the injured people, food packets, rescue work which has done for to save them, dead bodies, dead animals floating in water, houses. Underwater aerial survey to see the scene of disaster from a plane. Sad people, diseases spread by dirty water, homeless people, trapped people. Children, this is all what you have to do. It is an assignment for you. For today only, a short report you will have to write about any incident which has taken place by using all these points. And share it to me whether untapped. So what we have learned in this chapter actually, we have learned about the difficulties faced by the people during floods, and we have seen the pictures of what kind of a school. You can see here, there is a picture of a school. What kind of a school have the children come to after the flood? And children, you know what people had to do to make their life normal again after the flood. All these things we have learnt here in this chapter. You can add on this point in your video and go through this chapter completely. You will come to know this is really so difficult when we suffer from such kind of natural calamities. These calamities are really affecting the life of the people too much, and they really affects the people to come up with a new thing, with a new thought. It really requires a lots of struggle to deal with all these situations. Once you will think about the difficulties faced by the people in such situations, you will be able to understand and think about it. So we should always think that we are living in the neighborhood. It is very important because when we are living in neighborhood, people help each other. They can take care of each other. They can understand the problems of each other. Children, we interact with people in various occasions, weddings, deaths, celebrations, festivals, these all can be done if we are together. That is why you can have learned from this chapter how Jasma's villagers help each other to develop a new village and restart their life instead of thinking of what bad had happened with them. But of course, the bad memories can never be erased from the minds. So, kids, learn the good thing from the chapter. I hope you have understood to help each other in the different situations. Thank you, all of you. We will meet you after the vacations. Take care of yourself and do not go home. Please enjoy all these occasions, Christmas and New Year's at your home only. Have a safe time at home. Thank you, all of you.